Detroit, churchmilitant.com. Catholic Action for Faith and Family President Thomas McKenna is providing monthly phone chats with Cardinal Raymond Burke for audiences interested in authoritative insights on issues of the day. The June chat was posted on the CA website July 8, just days after the 44th anniversary of Cardinal Burke's priestly ordination on June 29, 1975, a point highlighted in the chat. McKenna asked Cardinal Burke to react to the tweet Bishop Thomas Tobin of Providence, Rhode Island, sent out at the start of LGBT Pride Month, that gained a lot of attention, much of it criticism from Catholics and Catholic priests. Burke said that Tobin was expressing fatherly care of the flock, especially of the small children who are so scandalized by seeing acts that are manifestations which are not in accord with moral law, not in accord with our own nature. Burke repeated his commendation of Tobin for calling out Pride Month as expression of the capital sin of lust, which above all, corrupt children in their innocence. To the charge that the bishop was engaging in unjust discrimination toward the LGBT community, Burke said Tobin was not discriminating against people but discriminating between right and wrong. The CA president also asked the cardinal to weigh in on a recent move by Archbishop Charles Thompson of Indianapolis which stripped the name Catholic from a Jesuit school in the diocese. The school had refused to dismiss a teacher in a same-sex marriage, thus evoking Thompson's response. The cardinal said, Thompson has the duty to safeguard the name Catholic. He said teaching must be sound and in accord with Catholic faith and morals, and that teachers must give Christian witness in their daily lives. Note: these are excerpts from the article which can be read in full at the link in the description box.